Hello Ajaypal, good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank God. You,
I'm also fine. What's going on?
sir. My interview is going on.
Okay, great. So Ajaypal, tell me something about you.
Yes. Before starting, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving me this golden chance. My name is Ajaypal Jadon, as you already know, and I belong to Dharapra Rajakeda. My father is a teacher. My mother is a housewife, and I am a student of class 8. And my hobbies are to help poor and to serve the nation. And I want to become a teacher. And my strength in my life is I'm very hardworking. It's all about my life.
Okay, Ajaypal, as you have told your hobby, you have two hobbies. The first one is serving nation and the second one is helping the poor, right? So have you
Yes,
ever helped any of the poor?
yes, sir. I have helped.
How and whom did you help?
Sir, I gave food to poor many times and clothes.
Okay, do you think so giving food is enough for the poor to remove their problems and to improve their condition?
No, sir, it's not enough. But what can I do right now?
Okay.
Accept it.
So when you become something, when you get a lot of money and when you become successful, what would you like to do for your country and for the poor people?
Sir, I will. Sir, what we say, dan karna.
Donate.
Sir, I will donate money as much as I can, and I will help poor, and I will donate money to.
Okay.
Yes,
Your video is off. Please turn it on.
yes,
Okay. And as you said, you want to be a teacher. So of
yes.
what subject will you become a teacher?
Sir, I want to become a teacher of maths.
You like mathematics.
Yes.
Which portion do you like the most in mathematics?
Sir, I like variables.
Variables.
Yes,
Okay, good. And you belong to a small town, Rajakeda, right?
yes,
Is it in Rajasthan?
yes, sir, it is right.
Okay. Parshville also belongs to there. You both are neighbors or uh, you
No,
don't?
sir, I am from a village,
You're
and
from a village. Okay.
yes,
What's your village name?
sir, Dharapra.
Okay, great. And your father is a private teacher or government teacher?
Sir, is a government teacher.
What subject and what classes does he teach?
Sir, he teaches SST classes 9th to 12th.
Okay, he teaches SST.
Yes.
And what school are you in?
Sir, I am in Parshala and Academy.
Partial and academy. Okay. So how do you go to school? How far it is from your home?
Sir, it's 12 to 14 kilometer from my home.
Okay,
And
great.
I go to there by my cycle
You
right
ride your
now.
bicycle 14 kilometers from one side
Yes,
and it
sir.
is 28 kilometers in a day.
Yes, sir. Because of coronavirus, sir, week, I have to go by bicycle.
Is your school open?
No, sir. This is opening to for from tomorrow.
Okay, it will open from
It will
tomorrow.
open.
All right.
Yes.
And how's the study going on?
So it is going smoothly.
It's going smoothly. Okay. The pandemic
Yes.
has changed everything. So, what changes did you get in your life after this pandemic or in this pandemic?
Sir, I got many changes. Sir, I had to face with many difficulties like I couldn't go to school and I had to study online and it was very bad experience. But because of COVID-19, we learned many things like how to study online and many things and
Oh,
cleanliness.
as you told, you belong to a village, and whenever you take online classes, do you feel network issues?
Yes, sir, I feel. But I have changed my SIM into Geo. That's why it's going smoothly.
Okay, earlier you faced some network issues, right?
Yeah, yes,
So in pandemic, you missed your friends, your study, and offline classes, right?
yes, sir, very
How
much.
many friends do you have?
Sir, I have many friends, but I have um, one best friend.
And the name of that friend is
So he is Komal Singh Tomar.
Komal Singh Tomar. Okay.
Yes,
What do you like in him?
sir, because he is able to believe on him. I can
Okay.
believe
He is trustworthy.
on him. Yes,
Okay. Apart from this quality,
and so he is very hardworking.
he is very hardworking. Okay, great. And do you have any interest in games?
Yes, sir, I have interest in game.
Which game do you like the most?
Sir, I like cricket the most.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, sir, I play, but right now I can't play.
Okay, before the pandemic you were playing.
Yes,
Okay, great. And who's your favorite player?
sir, Rohit Sharma is my favorite player.
You like batting the most, or you
Yes,
like
sir, batting.
bowling equally?
Sir, I like batting the most.
Okay. So when and where do you play? Right now you are saying that I'm not able to play because of pandemic. I'm maintaining social distancing. But before the pandemic, where and when did you used to play?
Sir, I used to play in my school with my friends, and I used to play at my home with my village friends.
Okay, great. Okay, tell me something about your achievements. You are in class 8th or ninth?
Sir, I'm in 8th class.
You are in class 8th. Okay. So, do you have any achievements in your life?
Yes, sir, I passed my 4th, 5th, and 6th class by first rank, and 7th I passed. I postponed it by
Okay.
government.
Okay. You were directly promoted to the next class, right?
Yes,
As I can see, Ajaypal, you are not laughing. You are looking very serious. So what is the reason behind it? You have this nature, or you have any problem today?
yes, sir. So it's my nature.
It's your nature. So as you have said that you want to become a teacher, so you have to open yourself first, because to go in front of students is not that much easy. If you go in front of students and become serious and teaching everything seriously, so it's good, but sometimes students want their teachers to be happy and teach in a normal way, in a funny way also. How will you, after becoming teacher, how will you just treat your students?
Sir, I know, but it became my habit, and I try to improve it.
What are you doing to improve it? I think you should watch some comedy movies so that you can smile or laugh.
Sir, I
Now
watch.
you now you have started laughing, so you should watch some kind of things so that you can start laughing and smiling. Did you ever perform before the pandemic in your school on a stage or in any function?
Yes, sir, I performed.
Where did you perform and when?
Sir, I performed on 26th January, and I I was part of an army act.
Okay, you were the part of army play. Okay, on what thing it
Yes.
was based?
So it was based on Pulwama Hamla.
Pulwama attack.
Okay.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
That's great. Tell me something more about your family. You have told about your father that he is a teacher and mother is a housewife. You don't have any siblings?
Yes, sir. I have my younger brother. He's a student
He's a student.
of class 7. Yes.
Okay, is he in same school or in another school?
So he is in another school.
He's in another school. Why doesn't he study in your school?
So he will study from next year because of coronavirus. He couldn't get admission on that school because he was getting nervous that I have missed syllabus.
Okay. You teach your brother?
Yes, sir, I teach.
Great. And how is he in studying?
What, sir?
How is he in studying?
So he is good.
Is good. Okay, great. What does your father want you to be? He wants you to be a teacher or engineer, doctor.
So as I wish he want to.
Okay, whatever you want to become, he is happy in that. What
Yes.
about your mother?
So he also.
She.
She also.
Okay. Yeah. How means what's your mother's qualification?
So she has not study enough. She only study till 12th class.
Till 12th. Okay. And where does she belong to?
So she belongs to a small place, Badna.
Okay. Have you ever been to any metro city?
No, sir.
No, you have never been to any metro city. Okay. And as you have told that Raja Kheda is in Rajasthan. So what places are worth visiting in entire Rajasthan, including Jodhpur, Jaipur, and some other cities which are very big and good? So what places are worth visiting and how many places have you visited? And what place do you like the most?
Sir, I haven't visited.
You haven't visited. Okay.
No, sir.
You're not interested in visiting any places.
No, sir, I am not
You
interested.
should go, it will increase your knowledge. Not for fun, just for experience, you can go somewhere. You're a child, you are living your life like a elder person or young person. Should enjoy your childhood. Keep studying, but on the other hand, you can do some other things also, such as fun. And as you have said, you are already interested in playing, and due to this pandemic, you could not play. So it means, what did you do just to entertain yourself? Only study.
No, sir.
Then what
Sir,
else did you
sir,
do?
I watch TV and I use mobile phone
What do you watch on
and
TV?
I watch. Sir, I watch cricket.
Cricket. Okay.
Yes.
And on mobile, what do you do?
So on mobile, I use WhatsApp and YouTube.
YouTube. Okay. So you watch some videos on YouTube. Which type of videos do you watch?
Sir, I watch some news videos and some educational videos.
Educational video. Here also you have brought education. Okay, that's good thing. But bookish knowledge is important, but sometimes we have to take experience from society. We have to take experience from people, right? This is also very important. Okay, Ajaypal, it's nice talking to you. Thank you so much for giving your interview.
Thank you.